Hello guys, good afternoon. Okay, so charting session tayo guys ng ating mga top trending stocks sa araw na to. Okay, so yung ating trading style na gagamitin, yung ating position trading and ating swing trading style pa rin guys. Okay, so yung ating mga time frame na gagamitin ay yung ating 1 hour time frame for our swing trading and daily time frame naman para sa ating position trading guys. Okay, so pwede nyong aralin guys yung ating mga time frame pala. So lagi kong nami-mention yung ating mga time frame pero hindi ko na mapahapyawan. Okay, so malaking tulong to guys kapag na gamay nyo yung ating mga time frame sa pagmo-monitor sa pagti-trade. Okay, so before we start guys, muli, important note to remember tayo ulit para sa ating every time na magcha-charting session tayo. Okay, so we need to understand and adapt different kinds of market conditions. Treat trading as a business. Each time frames have their own different personalities. Always examine first by yourself through research and backtesting. And of course, the final decision will always end into ourselves, guys. Okay, so fully na memorize na natin to palagi, guys. Okay, so sa ating charting session, guys, meron tayong dalawang trading setup na ginagamit. Ito yung ating Marcy trading setup at yung ating price action o yung support and resistance combined with our Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so pwede nyo makita yung ating video niyan doon sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan guys. Okay, so Candlestick Trader PH. Explore nyo guys yung ating mga video dito gaya ng sinasabi ko na aralin nyo guys yung ating Marcy trading setup. Ayan. Mastering of our Marcy trading setup guys. Malaking tulong ito sa ating trading journey. And of course, yung ating price action. Okay, so itong dalawang trading setup na to guys, itong ating ginagamit sa lahat ng ating charting session na nandito sa ating YouTube channel. And pwede nyong gawing guide or reference. Okay, so para mayroon kayong idea kung paano yung diskarte gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup. And the same time, mayroon tayong mga learning videos. Yan, doon sa ating playlist, pandagdag sa ating mga conviction o sa ating trading journey guys. Okay, so explore nyo guys. I'm sure na may maitutulong yung ating mga videos sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, so maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe pala at mga nag-comment at mga nag-request palagi sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, so congrats din sa mga nag-PM sa akin. Thanks at good luck guys and congratulations sa inyo sa mga nag-gain. Okay, sa araw na to. Okay, so of course, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, subscribe kayo guys and hit the notification bell. Ayan. So, para ma-notify tayo kaagad kapag may mga videos tayong na-upload sa ating channel. Okay, so let's start. Tutingnan natin ulit yung ating mga top trending stocks doon sa ating kaibigan na Investagrams. Ayan. Dito po ako nagtatambay guys. So, kanina yan, dito yung aking nasilip lang. At dahil na pasilip ako sa breakdown niya doon sa ating Fibo 0.5 and yun, nagplot ako ng simple chart dyan. Ayan, so nag-breakdown din siya. So yung una, ayan, so masisilip natin yan mamaya. Okay, so yan dito kanina. Okay, so ito ang ating mga top trending stocks at pwede nyo ang pasyalan din dito guys. Okay, so thank you sa mga nag-follow sa akin dyan. Let's see, let's start with our local index muna. Ayan, so ayos guys, nag-consolidate na yung ating price above our MA10, which is good. Okay, so ito talaga ang hinintay natin na dapat magkaroon tayo ng price above our MA10 and the same time yung ating short-term trading signal is mag-breakout siya doon sa ating shifting level and long-term trading signal guys. Okay, so ayan siya, nasa consolidation level pa rin naman yung ating local index gaya ng ating naipa-plot palagi. So yan natin babantayan guys. Okay, so far yung ating babantayan palagi yung ating support kung sakali na mag-drop down yung ating price, which is confirmed by our Fibonacci retracement 0.5, and yung ating babantayan naman nating resistance, yung target natin dapat na ma-break is yung ating gap down level na yan. So this will serve as our strong resistance so far guys. Okay, so sana nga mag-consolidate siya ng mga ilang days dyan above our MA10 and i-proceed niya at mag-breakout siya doon sa ating 0.618. And of course, consolidation muna ulit dyan sa ating above our 0.618 bago niya i-break. Okay, so mas malaki ang probability or mas mataas yung probabilities na i-break niya yung ating resistance kapag nag-consolidate siya dyan guys sa ating 0.618. Okay, so yan yung ating local index at so far, nasa consolidation pa rin naman siya doon sa ating 0.5 and 0.618 ng ating Fibo. Okay, so let's start with our first top trending stocks na walang kakupas-kupas, si Dito. Laging nasa top trending guys. Okay, so si Dito sa ating daily time frame, ayun, so yun nga, nagmaterialize na yung weakness niya based doon sa ating mga previous charting session guys. Okay, so sa ating daily time frame, okay, so medyo iwas-iwas muna tayo guys, medyo malakas yung pagkaka-breakdown ng ating price sa araw na to, pag drop down ng ating price. Okay, so solid red candle at yung volume medyo malaki din. Okay, so observe na lang muna if ever man na gusto niyo magkaroon ng bounce play dyan, pero I think it's be careful. Okay, so si Dito, titingnan natin yung ating support nating babantayan. Ayan, so pwede nating bantayan yan for our daily time frame. So wala pa tayong entry guys gamit yung ating Marcy Trading setup. Okay, so ito so far yung ating support nating babantayan dyan kung sakasakali man. At observe natin kung magkaroon ba to ng pag-hold above the support line or tuluyan ng bumagsak. Okay, so extra careful muna sa mga papasok. At observe na lang muna guys. Okay, so yung ating resistance sa tinitingnan is yung sa part na to. So yan. But so far medyo I think na magkakaroon pa tayo. We were expecting na magko-consolidate muna si Dito. Ang tanong kung saang part. Okay, so from our support, above our support line, or babagsak siya and mag-generate ng possible na consolidation. So tatandaan natin guys, pwede natin gamitin itong support line na to from the breakout level. Ayan, so tingnan natin, bantayan natin yan guys. Okay, so observe mo lang muna guys sa ating Dito at wala pa tayong entry gamit yung ating Marcy Trading setup. Kung titingnan nyo, nag-breakdown din yung ating short term trading signal doon sa ating shifting level, which is a very not good sign. Okay, so medyo malakas yung pagkakabagsak ng ating stock na si Dito. Okay, so tingnan natin naman sa ating 1 hour time frame. Yan, so tanggalin lang natin. Okay, so sa ating 1 hour time frame for position for swing trading guys, ayan, so pwede tayong maggamit dyan ng ating Fibo. Pwedeng gamitin natin to and from this part, so para magkaroon tayo ng guide. And yun nga, mayroon tayo nakikitang breakdown doon sa ating MA10. And so far, pwede natin gamitin as our resistance support yung ating level na to, which is confirmed by our Fibonacci retracement. Yan. From the breakout point. Ayan. So, yan natin bantayan guys sa ating 1 hour time frame. At so far naman, meron tayong 0.618, kaya medyo nagsusupport pa rin yan as our initial support. Pero ito yung ating babantayan, dapat mag-hold yung support line na to sa ating 1 hour time frame guys. Okay, so observe muna guys, at medyo malayo yung price natin doon sa ating MA10. At although yung ating short term trading signal nasa oversold level na siya, but I think it's stuck careful guys. Kung titingnan nyo sa ating mga lower time frame dyan, medyo maraming hindi nag-sustain or failed bounce play. Okay, so hindi siya na-sustain yung pag-bounce niya at nagbumulusok pa rin pababa. Okay, so extra careful guys. At for me, iwas muna and dapat mag-materialize yung ating mga setup. Okay, so bago tayo pumasok. Although bumaba yung price, dapat yung setup or base sa ating trading plan pa rin yung ating masunod. Okay, like for example for our Marcy Trading setup, so medyo malayo yung ating mga signals or ating mga parameters para mag-materialize. Kaya iwas muna and observe na lang muna guys. Okay, so next, labas ko lang. So next, si EPBI. Kamusta yung ating EPBI? Si ano to? Altus. Yan, si Altus. Okay, so tingnan natin siya sa ating 5 minutes time frame. Adjust na tayo sa ating 5 minutes time frame na guys. Okay, so ilang araw na rin naman. Okay, so sa ating 5 minutes time frame, mayroon tayo nakikitang entry. Okay, so gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup guys. Okay, so extra careful pa rin dahil based na rin dyan sa formation ng candles niya. So this is considered a very strong downtrend. Okay, so extra careful na lang guys. Okay, so yan, puldo pasok sa ating entry pero malapit naman siya doon sa ating resistance, yung ating short term trading signal, and doon sa ating shifting level. So we will consider our shifting level, kung papansinin nyo, from support turns to resistance yung nangyari. Okay, so based dyan sa history, yan, so naging resistance yung ating shifting level 70 doon sa ating RSI. Kaya extra careful guys. Okay, so for me, dapat na magkaroon ng breakout dyan sa ating shifting level at mag-hold. That's a confirmation of our strong entry. Strong confirmation of our entry guys. Okay, so pero pasok sa entry at extra careful lang guys. Okay, so cut loss point sa mga gustong pumasok below our MA10 or mula sa level na to. Okay, so we can use this as initial support. Yan. So that is our cut loss point if ever guys. Okay, so yan si EPBI, 5 minutes yung 5 minutes time frame lang muna guys yung ating titingnan. Okay, so far hindi pa ganun ka taas yung ating mga pakikita na time frame kay EPBI. Okay, so next si M&M. M&M sa ating 1 hour time frame. Tingnan natin sa ating 1 hour time frame si M&M. So wala pa tayo nakikitang entry guys kay M&M gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup, pero nasa oversold level siya. So if ever man na magkaroon tayo ng bounce play dyan, okay, so serves as our resistance yung ating level 70, level 50 as our shifting level guys. Okay, so laging bantayan lagi guys as our resistance. As our resistance kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng mga bounce play dyan, yung ating shifting level. So far wala pa tayong entry sa ating price. Okay, sa ating MA10 medyo malayo pa yung price doon sa ating MA10. Okay, so bounce play yung so far ating nakikita dyan, pero wala tayong entry gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup. Okay, so sa ating daily time frame, tingnan na natin. Yan, so wala pa tayong full detail. Tingnan natin sa lower time frame guys gamit yung 15 minutes time frame. Ayan, so wala ding entry guys. Okay, so medyo pwedeng bantayan. Nga, so parang sa bounce play tayo magbabantay ngayon. Okay, so kakaroon tayo dyan if ever na mag-breakout dyan. So tomorrow, potential na magkakaroon tayo ng entry dyan for bounce play. Okay, so observe muna natin guys, dapat mag-materialize yung ating entry based doon sa ating Marcy's entry rules. Okay, so yan. Saan ba yung ating nakikitang support? So far yung ating support nating nakikita dyan. So from this point, so far malayo pa naman. Okay, so observe natin lang muna at dapat mag-materialize yung ating mga parameters for our entry guys. Okay, so malapit na yan, pwedeng bantayan. Ganon din nating short term trading signal, and ganon din pwede natin gamitin yung ating resistance, yung ating shifting level as our resistance. Okay, so observe guys. Let's see. Okay, so next si Tech. Si Tech sa ating 1 hour time frame. Ayan, so nagmaterialize yung ating entry. So from this point, ayan, sabay sa ating Marcy trading setup. Ayan. Okay, so congrats guys sa mga nakasalo kagad dito at nakasakay at nag-breakout siya doon sa ating shifting level, at bantayan natin guys. Okay, so resistance natin, approaching siya doon sa ating level 70 ng ating RSI. So serves as our resistance yung ating level 70. Okay, so based na rin sa history. Ayan, and the resistance natin, okay, yung price natin is doon siya sa along the resistance na rin yung ating price. Okay, so same siya with our short term trading signal guys. Okay, so let's see, and support yung ating MA10 or sa level na to. Okay, so meron tayong babantayan dyan as our support. Yan, observe natin yan guys. Okay, so cut loss point sa mga gustong pumasok at mga nakapasok below our MA10. Okay, so kapag nag-breakout naman, trail stop kagad guys yung ating level 70. Execute natin yan palagi guys, yung ating trail stop. Malaking tulong yan. Okay, so to protect our gain. Okay, so yan si Tech sa ating 1 hour time frame. And for our daily time frame, wala pa tayo nakikitang entry guys, pero pwede na nating bantayan. Okay, so kung titingnan natin, ayan, so, ayan, breakout na pala, pero I think it's better na magkaroon pa tayo ng price above our MA10 tomorrow at mag-hold siya. Okay, so breakout na rin yung ating short-term trading signals, so pasok sa ating entry yan. I'm sure guys na magkakaroon tayo ng pag-hold ng price dyan if ever Okay, so yan. So pwede nang bantayan guys, or kung sakali man nakapasok kayo sa end of the day sa araw na to, so congrats, and observe nyo na lang, dapat mag-hold yung price above our MA10 pa rin. Okay, so dapat mag-consolidate siya, and baka subukin niyang i-break yung ating resistance dyan na ating nakikita. Okay, so kitang-kita palagi natin yan sa ating mga charting session. Yan, so yan yung ating resistance, and our strong support naman is sa level na to. Yan, that serves as our strong support naman. Okay, so ranging siya. Okay, so yan, pasok sa ating entry guys si Tech, pero confirmation natin tomorrow. Okay, so dapat mag-hold above our MA10 pa rin yung ating price. Okay, so sa ating 1 hour time frame naman kay Tech, ay so tapos na pala to sa ating 1 hour. Okay, so next si Nickel. Ayan, si Nickel nag-drop down ito at nakabawi sa araw na to. Okay, so nag-materialize yung ating entry kay Nickel sa level na to. Actually, nag-materialize siya from this portion area. Ayan. So, congrats guys sa mga nag-hold pa rin dyan. Okay, so far wala pa tayo nakikitang exit, kundi trail stop guys. Okay, so nag-breakout na siya doon sa ating level 80 and level 70. Okay, so una, trail stop natin yung ating level 70. And next for our level 80 guys. Okay, so this will serve as our resistance so far. So nandun pa siya sa ating level 80. Okay, so observe natin kung mag-hold siya or masustain yan, mag-breakout dyan sa ating level 80. If ever na bumagsak yan, so you can execute for our trail stop guys doon sa ating mga oversold level ng ating RSI. Okay, so trail stop ang ating nakikita ngayon kay Nickel sa ating 1 hour time frame. At observe sa mga gustong pumasok, I think reduce your time frame as a momentum trader guys. Okay, so medyo overbought na rin yung ating short-term trading signal, at ating bantayan guys yung ating resistance natin tinitingnan dyan. So pwede natin tingnan yan as our resistance. Okay, so if ever man na itong gagawin yung time frame, 1 hour time frame, so pwede kayong mag-plot dyan guys ng ating breakout point. Ayan. So you will use that as our cut loss point if ever guys na hindi masustain yung pag-breakout doon sa ating level 80. At dapat mag-consolidate siya dyan above our support line guys. Okay, so kapag nag-breakdown dyan, if ever, so cut loss point. Okay, or reduce your time frame para makapag-set kayo ng cut loss point na mas mababa guys. Okay, so lower risk ang dapat target natin hanapin. Okay, so yan si Nickel sa ating 1 hour time frame, and for our daily time frame, ayan, so malakas yung naging galawan ni Nickel ngayon. So breakout yung ating 1 candle dyan, yung last candle natin. So above our short term trading MA10 and yung ating short term trading signal. So breakout din. Okay, with volume pa tayo guys. So observe na lang guys, dahil yung ating resistance is malapit na siya. Okay, so ito yung ating mga babantayan. Pwede nating bantayan yan as our resistance. I'm sure na kapag nag-breakout dyan, maraming sasakay dyan dahil sa may volume na naka-accumulate dito. Okay, so resistance based sa ating history, yung ating level 70, pwede natin gawing reference. Yan, so I think parehong-pareho yan. So kapag nag-breakout dyan, I'm sure breakout din tayo doon sa ating level 70. Okay, so observe natin guys, and support yung ating MA10 or from this support line. Okay, so yan. Okay, so which is also our cut loss point if ever man guys na pumasok kayo sa araw na to kay Nickel. Okay, so yan si Nickel sa ating daily time frame guys. Okay, so next si Jazz. JAS. Yan, nako. Pump and dump ang nangyari sa ating stock na si Jazz. Sorry guys, pero pag mga ganitong play, extra careful kayo, not unless na medyo gamay nyo na yung ating lower time frame, and still you need to be careful guys. Okay, so sa first candle pa lang na yan, itong green candle, kita nyo wala masyadong volume guys. Okay, so tingnan ilang bid ba to, ilang trade. So mataas nga rin. Okay, so extra careful guys. Okay, so hindi ko to nakakita. Ayan, so na-reach niya yung ating resistance level 70. Nung na-reach niya, so nagkaroon na yan ng profit taking. At yun, buhos ang nangyari. Okay, so reduce our time frame. At tingnan nga natin guys sa ating 5 minutes time frame guys. Okay, so para makita natin. Gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup. Ayan, so ito yung mga previous days ng trading. So ito, kailan lang to? Nung June 3. Ngayon, sa araw na to. Okay, so kahapon wala masyadong volume guys. So medyo, anong nangyari? Nilaro. Okay, so wala tayong nakikita pang entry guys. So kung babantayan natin, yun yung ating bounce play lang. Okay, kasi oversold yung ating short-term trading signal na. At nag-breakout na rin. So dapat mag-materialize yung ating price above our MA10 to consider as our entry for bounce play guys. Okay, so hindi siya sa ating Marcy trading setup pasok. Okay, so extra careful guys kay JS, kay Jazz. At I think na nilaro yata to. Okay, so di ko alam kung anong meron, pero I think nilaro to. Okay, so mayroon naman tayong volume dyan. At support line yung ating MA10. Pwede nyo gamitin yung ating support line MA10 kapag bumagsak dyan. So medyo iwas na kayo guys. Okay, so for me, sa mga gustong pumasok, I think extra careful guys. Medyo delicads pa to, itong candle na to. Okay, so reduce your time frame kung gusto nyo talagang maglaro sa mga ganitong stock. I think doon kayo sa 3 or 5 minutes. Okay, so far okay naman yung volatility. At yun nga, meron tayong accumulation dito during round off. I don't know kung anong meron. Okay, so extra careful guys muna. Okay, so medyo mataas yung risk at reduce your time frame kapag magte-trade kayo sa kay GAS. Support itong ating MA10. Okay, so resistance yun, nakapag-build siya ng resistance doon sa ating last price o yung ating week na to, sa level na to guys. Okay, so yan si JAS sa ating daily time frame. And next si M-Wide. M-Wide sa ating so daily time frame. And so humina yung ating M-Wide guys. Kita ko kagad yung ating weakness of momentum. Ayan, so bumagsak. At so far okay pa naman nating pasukin guys, pero extra careful, dapat meron tayong isang red candle dyan tomorrow. Okay, so green candle above our MA10. Nag-hold pa rin naman yung price natin above our MA10, so pwede siyang pasukin guys, pero you need to have extra careful. Okay, so cut loss point if ever, so you can set your cut loss point kagad below our MA10. Okay, so pasok pa sa ating entry guys, CM wide, but extra careful lang. Okay, so meron tayo nakikitang support dyan. Gaya pa rin ng dati guys, pwede natin gamitin as our support yung level na to, and our resistance naman is yung sa level na to guys. Okay, so sana mag-consolidate dyan above our MA10, and of course dapat masustain pa rin yung ating short-term trading signal above our long-term and shifting level guys. Okay, so pasok pa rin sa entry guys yung ating M-wide sa daily time frame. Okay, so just set only your cut loss point below our MA10. And for our 1 hour time frame, wala tayo nakikitang entry guys, medyo humina na nga talaga at nag-breakdown na yung ating price and yung ating short-term trading signal. Okay, so observe na lang muna guys sa ating 1 hour time frame kay M-wide. At pwede nyong bantayan yung ating support dyan. So mayroon tayo nakitang support from the gap up level, which is confirmed also doon sa ating candles na to. Okay, so extra careful guys muna and observe yung ating M-wide sa ating 1 hour time frame. And dapat ma-break niya yung ating resistance. Unang-una yung ating MA10, okay, para mag-materialize yung ating entry. And for our resistance naman, and so dyan tayo nagkaroon ng resistance sa level na yan. So malamang ito yung ating initial resistance na ating babantayan. So yan, no, yan, And yan. Okay, so observe na lang muna guys kay M-Wide. At wala pa tayong entry. Okay, so check naman natin sa ating daily time frame. Okay, so sa ating daily time frame, ayan, so tapos na pala. Ay, ano ba yan? Nakakalimutan. Okay, so sa ating next na stock, si IDC. Okay, so si IDC sa ating daily time frame, so nag-breakdown na guys. Nagkaroon na ng profit taking dyan gamit yung ating mga lower time frame. At yan, so medyo humina na nga. Bumagsak na yung ating momentum na lakas. Okay, so wala pa tayong entry guys. Yung ating price, nag-breakdown siya doon sa ating MA10. At yung ating short-term trading signal, nag-hold pa rin naman siya above our MA10, our shifting level. Pero extra careful na lang guys. Observe na lang muna sa mga gustong pumasok. Okay, so dapat magkaroon tayo ng consolidation above our MA10, yung ating price. And still, nag-hold pa rin yung ating short-term trading signal above our shifting level or yung ating long-term trading signal guys. This will serve as our strong support so far dahil nandyan yung dalawa nating binabantayan. Yung ating level 50 and yung ating long-term trading signal guys. Okay, so dapat mag-hold yan, and kapag mayroon tayong confirmation yung ating price above our MA10, so that's it. Pwede tayong mag-entry if ever. Okay, so wala pa tayong nakikitang entry guys sa ating daily time frame, and for our 1 hour time frame naman, ayan, so breakdown din guys. Okay, so observe na lang muna yung ating stock na si IDC. Okay, so far yung ating support na babantayan, so ito sa level na yan. Yan. So observe natin kung magkaroon siya ng consolidation above our support line, and consider as our resistance yung ating M18 na. Okay guys, so wala tayong entry for both 1 hour and daily time frame kay IDC. Okay, so ito yung ating bantayan na lang, dapat mag-hold yung ating support na ito. Okay, so next, si MWC. MWC, ayun, congrats guys sa mga nakapasok kay MWC. So nagmaterialize yung ating entry dyan sa level na to. Ayan. Okay, so congrats naman doon sa mga nakasakay sa level na to. From the bounce play, then nagmaterialize yung entry ng ating Marcy Trading setup. At nagkaroon tayo ng trail stop dyan upon breakout. Okay, so doon sa ating level 70. Sa ngayon, nag-breakout siya doon sa ating level 70 and level 80 guys. And consider this as our trail stop point. Okay, so kapag nag-breakdown, so sell a portion of your shares. And we have this last trail stop, yung ating level 70. Para doon sa mga nakapasok sa level na ito. Okay, so sa mga gustong pumasok, I think extra careful guys. Okay, so reduce your time frame. Okay, so tingnan natin. Support natin, ating babantayan yung ating MA10 pa rin. So nagkaroon tayo ng breakout point dyan. Ayan. And medyo mataas guys, kaya medyo reduce your time frame. Okay, so reduce your time frame kung gusto nyo maglaro as a momentum trader guys, kasi yung ating short-term trading signal is overbought na. Okay, so for me, iwas na lang muna guys. Okay, so dapat hintayin na lang na bumaba yung price below our MA10 para yung risk is hindi ganun ka taas. Okay, so yan si M-Wide sa ating MWC sa ating 1 hour time frame, and for our daily time frame, breakout din. Okay, so breakout doon sa ating shifting level 70. Okay, so observe natin guys, and set this as our trail stop para doon sa mga nakapasok sa level na to. So dyan talaga nag-materialize yung ating entry. Ganon din yung ating short-term trading signal na yan sa RSI. Okay, so wala pa tayo nakikitang exit kundi trail stop guys. Okay, observe natin yung ating level 80 serves as our strong resistance pa rin. Yan. So observe natin. Okay, so sa mga nakasakay dyan, resistance niya, titingnan nyo dyan yung ating level 80. Okay, so kapag nabasag, adjust your trail stop to level 80. Okay, so yan. Okay, so yan guys lamang, at nakita na natin yung ating NWC sa ating 1 hour time frame. Kaya proceed na tayo sa ating requested. So mayroon akong nilagay dito guys na tatlo nilagay ni stocks. Ayan, so GFC, Bloom at GJS. Ito yung mga request na nag-PM sa akin. So unahan na natin si JFC. JFC, pasok sa ating entry guys, sa ating daily time frame si JFC. But you have to be careful lang guys, okay? So medyo may nakita akong laro-laro dyan. And of course, yung ating Mars price, nag-hold siya doon sa ating above our MA10. So currently, malapit siya doon sa ating resistance na binabantayan. Yan, so dapat mabasag muna yan para magkaroon tayo ng confirmation of short-term rally if ever guys ha. So if ever man na mag-breakout yan, so pwede nating bantayan. Okay, so mag-plot tayo ng ating Fibo from this point to this point guys. Okay, so observe natin. And yun nga, doon nag-confirm yung ating level 0.382 ng ating Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so support natin yung ating MA10 and cut loss point below our MA10 pa rin guys. Okay, so observe mo lang muna guys at let's see. Sa mga gustong pumasok, okay pa rin naman na pasukin kasi pasok sa ating Marcy trading setup. Okay, so yan si JFC sa ating daily time frame guys. At resistance nating babantayan yung ating level 70. Okay, so based sa history, ginawa niyang resistance yung ating level 70 which is doon magmamaterialize doon sa ating level 0.5 ng ating Fibonacci. Kasi kung pang nag-breakout yan doon sa ating resistance level line naman, so that's it. And must hold the price short-term trading signal natin doon above our level 70 guys. Okay, so yan yung ating Fibo. Pwede natin gawin as our guide kay JFC. Okay, so sa ating 1 hour time frame naman kay JFC. Okay, so sa ating 1 hour time frame. Ayan, so congrats guys sa mga nag-bounce dyan at nag-breakout din na pumasok gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup. Ayan, so dyan nag-materialize yung ating entry at from the oversold level. At so far wala pa tayo nakitang exit guys, okay, kundi nagkaroon tayo ng trigger point yung ating level 70. So nag-trail stop tayo dyan. Observe guys, okay, so umakyat pa rin yung ating price pagdating doon sa ating MA10, so umangat ulit. Okay, so this serves as our support yung ating MA10. Ayan, so pwede natin gamitin yan from this portion. Ayan, gusto pa rin, pasok pa rin siya sa ating entry guys. Okay, so cut loss point below our MA10. Ayan, so yung ating short term trading signal nag-materialize. Okay, so yan, so cut loss point below our MA10. Okay, so far yung ating resistance same pa rin with our daily time frame. Ayan, so ito yung ating binabantayan dyan as our resistance guys. Okay, so yan si GFC sa ating 1 hour time frame. And next si Bloom. Si Bloom, ayan, ang lakas din guys, and congrats sa mga nakasakay dito. Okay, so congrats sa'yo. Trail stop yung aking nakikita dyan kaagad guys. Okay, so ito yung entry natin sa mga nakasakay dyan. Congratulations, nagmaterialize yung ating entry dyan, malinis na malinis. Tag-breakout siya doon sa ating level 70. So guys, set your trail stop, okay, level 70 if ever gone. Okay, so nasa near resistance na rin yung ating price. Ayan, so near resistance. And observe natin kung masustain yung ating short term trading signal above our level 70, and I'm sure na iti-test niya tong i-break yung ating resistance line na to guys. Okay, so far sa mga gustong pumasok, pwede pa naman. At yun lang, cut loss point natin below our MA10 pa rin. Okay, so confirmed yan doon sa ating breakout point from this level. Okay, so fully na mag-consolidate muna yan para mas malakas. But let's see kung sakaling ituloy-tuloy niya yan tomorrow. Okay, so yan si Bloom para sa ating 1 hour time frame, trail stop sa ating level 70. And for our daily time frame, yan, so maganda nga yung entry natin guys kay Bloom. Yan, pasok na pasok sa ating entry. And resistance dapat ating consider dyan is yung ating level 70 guys. Okay, so tingnan natin kung babasagin niya itong level 70 or magkakaroon ng price rejection. And so far, I think that is the resistance from this point. Yan. So observe natin yan guys. Okay, so dapat proportion kapag nag-breakout yung ating short-term trading signal dyan, I'm sure breakout din yung ating price dyan sa ating resistance level na yan. Okay, so yan si Bloom para sa ating daily time frame, and for our 1 hour time frame, nasilip na ba natin? Okay, so tapos na. And next si JGS. Okay, so JGS. Okay, so malakas din. Maganda yung pagkakaguhit ng ating MA10 kay JGS sa ating 1 hour time frame. At nang materialize yung ating entry from this point, at nagkaroon ulit ng exit and entry dyan sa point na to. Okay, so congrats guys sa inyo. And so far wala pa tayo nakikitang exit, kundi observe natin. Okay, so observe natin yung ating level 70 kung mababasag ba. But syempre kailangan natin mag lock in profit. Dapat kapag nag-drop down siya doon sa ating level 60 as our momentum of entry, so pwede tayong mag-trail stop na gan guys. Okay, sa mga nakapasok sa level na to. At sa mga gustong pumasok, I think extra careful. Reduce your time frame na lang guys. Okay, so medyo mataas na rin yung inangat niya. Observe. Okay, so far nandun siya sa ating resistance, yung ating price. Ayan. So observe natin guys. Okay, so dapat mag-hold yung price natin above our resistance level line na to para confirm na breakout siya doon sa ating level 70. Okay, so support. Bukod doon sa ating MA10, so pwede natin gamitin yung awang support line na to. Previously is our resistance guys. And initially, this is also our cut loss point if ever man nakasakay kayo, and cut loss point below our MA10. Okay, so yan si JJS sa ating 1 hour time frame, and for our daily time frame naman. Okay, so breakout din sa ating level 70. Si JGS. Okay, so nag-bounce siya doon sa ating shifting level at pasok yung ating entry sa level na to. Okay, so congrats guys sa nagbantay kay JGS gamit yung ating Marcy trading setup. Okay, so tingnan natin yung ating resistance. Yan, bukod dito guys, I think dapat masustain niya above our resistance line dyan guys yung ating price. Okay, so para more convincing, at I'm sure na mag-hold din yung ating short-term trading signal above our level 70. Okay, so support line natin is from this point guys. Okay, so kung kaya ng risk nyo at dyan yung cut loss point nyo, so why not? Okay, so extra careful guys sa mga nakapasok dahil near siya ating resistance and cut loss point below our MA10 or from this support line guys. Okay, so yun lang guys. Meron pa ba kayong mga tanong? I-comment nyo lang guys sa ating video, and in-request guys is highly appreciated. Okay, so tandaan na yung ating trading is all about probabilities. If you stick to those higher probability trades, then there's a better chance of coming out ahead in the long run. Okay, so thank you for watching guys muli, and please subscribe and share. Comment down your questions, and any request is highly appreciated guys. Okay, so maraming salamat and have a nice day.